Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are safe inside your home. Do you know what are jackals? Jackals usually are dark or light brown animal. Do you know where they live in? They live in forest. So they are wild animals. This is the story of a jackal. Jackals usually are dark or light brown, but the jackal are our story is blue in color. How did the jackal become blue? What do you think happened to him? Let us read the story and find out. The blue jackal is a story known throughout the Indian subcontinent. It was taken from Tales of Panchatantra, a collection of stories which depict animal in human situation. In each of the stories says every animal has a personality and each story ends with the moral. Now let us read the story. The Blue Jackal. Long ago, there lived a lazy jackal in the deep green forest. The jackal never went with his pack of hunt. One night, the lazy jackal felt hungry. I will go to the town and get a lamb or a chicken, thought the lazy jackal. It was a moonless night. The jackal was walking slowly on the town road when he heard dogs barking. Soon the dogs started chasing him. Fearing that the dogs would catch him, he ran as fast as he could. The frightened jackal then took shelter in a weaver's house. As soon as the jackal entered the courtyard of the house, he saw a big tub. Thinking quickly, the jackal jumped into the tub and hid himself. The dogs came running behind the jackal but sniffed at the tub and went away. The jackal was thankful that he was alive and quickly went back to the forest. The lazy jackal soon noticed that all his friends ran away from him. Feeling thirsty, he went to a pond to drink water. He was surprised to see a strange blue animal starting at him from under the water. He checked his skin and found that it was no longer brown but blue. There was perhaps some dye in the waver's tub. He thought to himself, a good bath will remove the color. He tried washing off the color, but the dye was too fast, so the color remained to his skin. The jackal thought for some time and made a plan. Next morning, the jackal said loudly to all the animals of the forest, "Come here, my friend. I have been sent to become your king and look after you." The lion, the tiger, the leopard, and the elephant looked at each other and expected the blue jackal as their king. "As the new king, I need your help," the jackal said. "Who will be my prime minister?" The lion, said the animals. So the lion became the prime minister. The tiger became the head of the army. The elephant stood guard at the mouth of the cave, and the hyena kept watch at night. The jackal had nothing to worry about. He had all that he wanted. However, late one night, a pack of jackals started howling. They were so close to the new king's cave that the blue jackal forgot himself and began to howl too. The other animals looked at their new king in surprise. He was no king, only a common jackal. They were angry and drove him out of the forest. Look at the first para. We have a word pack, which means a group. Look at the second para. The word is chasing. Chase. That means to follow someone or something very quickly. Next, frightened. That means afraid. Next, shelter. That means a temporary place to stay. Next, weavers. That means one who makes cloth from thread. Look at the next para, next page. We have word courtyard. That means a square area surrounded by walls. Next, sniffed. That means smelt. Next, noticed, which means to become aware. Next, dye. That means a substance used to color cloth. Next, fast. That means here color which cannot be removed easily. Next, expected. Here agree to a suggestion. Next, look at the last page. Aina, which means a fierce wild animal. Next, howl. That means a long loud sound. Let us see the story. One evening, when it was dark, a hungry jackal went in search of food in the large village close to your home in the jungle. The local dogs did not like jackals and chased him away so that they could make their owner proud. By killing the bristling jackal, the jackal ran as fast he could, and by not looking where he was going, filling 2 buckets of indigo dye. Outside the home of the clothes of dyer, the dogs run further, and the jackal climbed off the bucket, which but not named. The jackal continued into the jungle and saw all the animals of the jungle. All of them asked them who he was. The jackal, seeing that he had not turned blue, declared himself as a new king, the protector of all the animals in the jungle. The jackal asked to other animals who would be his prime minister. The animals replied that the lion would be the prime minister and the tiger would be the head of the army. The elephant would stand as god for the mouth, the cave, and Aina would be keep watch at night. Soon the new king said to advice from animals of the other jungle. An animal that satisfied and brought from him the best food. Once full moon night, some jackals were howling. New king had not yet seen them, so he howled back to the animals, realized that he was an ordinary jackal, and chased him far into the jungle, where he was never seen again. So, be happy with what you have. Don't expect for more. The moral of the story is excess of greed is harmful. Children, you should read this lesson regularly. You must learn words and meaning Hope you complete your homework regularly. Okay. Thank you.